You searched how to buy shares of BriaCell Therapeutics Corp. BriaCell is a clinical stage biotech listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BCTX. This guide is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BCTX to find BriaCell Therapeutics Corp. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to locate the correct stock. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the live price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker, read BriaCell Therapeutics Corp. BCTX before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. After the order executes, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the example link to eToro and more details, check the description below.